Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and click the notification button for more update. Okay guys, apparently Casper Nyovest is the man we think he is. Okay, before nka le qaqela mo ka le botsa ra botsetse go diragala eng, we remember go ile go ba le ditabanyana early this year that Casper Nyovest married her ex, not so long after breaking up with her baby mama. So, guys, her baby mama kept quiet for a few months without giving us the real story. So today, she decided to break free from her shell. Okay, they say, the last few years have been something, and looking back now, I am filled with gratitude. Who would thought I'll be here, not in peace but in peace? The tears that were once in silence are now from laughing out loud. I am actually in awe of the goodness of God. How am I deserving of this unconditional love? His covering and grace. Even when I was unfaithful to Him, He remained faithful to me. I've always heard God is found in a certain location. I didn't know I'd find Him at my lowest and broken time. At 8 months, my son was diagnosed with cancer, an entire different world. I always stood on protection and privacy, trying to maintain the world, and my world was a marathon on its own. I lived in oncology hospital for 2 years with my son as he underwent chemotherapy and life-threatening surgeries. In the depth of fighting cancer, I was hit with a curveball of infidelity. The woman knew me, my son's condition, and made no mistake with flattering their relationship. After finding out, he ended it with her and tried to make amends with me. I couldn't trust someone who can hurt me at my lowest or allow another woman to disrespect his woman. Considering everything we have been through, it was more of timing than the infidelity. He later married her. In between home discharges and a new project I started, I had to stop my life, put aside all my emotion, and show up for my baby. At the time, his health was more important than my heart. One thing I will do is to enjoy the world. Faith and my family was the remedy of everything. Both families understood the mandate. Living and loving is what we stand on. Landed in the center of God's hands, He had me exactly where He needed me. I gave my life to Jesus. I entered the era of isolation. He placed me in His secret place. He worked my character, renewed my mind, and restored my heart. The work hasn't stopped. I died to myself daily. He continues to mold me as the perfect potter He is. I am fully in my Jesus girl era, working in love, forgiveness, and most days are better than others, yet peace remains. I'm here to see what God has for me. More reason to celebrate life. Today, my son is cancer free, and it's all glory to Jesus. Okay, guys, not to be honest, I'm not surprised. Ke ka mokgwa most ya banna ba Africa ba behavang ka gona immediately ge ba ba shabo mo life. How can you do someone that you love? How can you disrespect your woman to such point that your son is fighting a cancer, but we're not getting even more? The most painful part is your ex, high school ex. Anyway, guys, please do comment, subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.